Hey, I always get asked whether my boobs are fake or not, and I have absolutely no idea why. Um, Not a clue. I mean, I'm totally kidding. I do know why I get asked if my boobs are fake, but that's only because I know how to work them. My boobs, let me just put it out there, they are not this big. They are not this big at all. Um, if I had a guess, I haven't measured myself in a while, but I'm about a C cup, and these definitely do not look C's. These look more D's or double D's or E's or Heidi Montag. I'm not totally sure. Um, but these are a lot bigger than my boobs actually are, and I've been getting a bunch of questions like, are your boobs fake? Are they real? Like, what's the deal? So my boobs are real. My boobs are pretty big, but not this big. So I'm gonna kind of do a little bit of a tutorial and teach all of you girls who want to look like your boobs are bigger how to make that happen. So basically, my secret is that I wear two bras. So if you take a look, I have one and two. I don't want to pull too much because I don't want to show too much, but I'm wearing two bras and they're naturally push-up bras. Now, I don't spend a lot of money on my bras. I think you could get really great ones for super cheap. I probably picked these up at Mandy's. One of them's polka dot, one of them's baby blue. I mean, they're certainly not like high quality bras, but you put two of them on, and basically what you do is you take your hand and you kind of like smush your boob up so that it kind of like, you just kind of like lift it and bring it up. And the fact that you're wearing two bras is really gonna help like with the whole like glue sticking factor. So you do that to this side, you do that to this side, um, and it's pretty much just like boob magic. Now, some girls like to have their boobs smushed together like this, and some girls like a little bit more cleavage. I like a little bit more cleavage. I think it looks a little nicer. But again, you could kind of always play with it. If you want more cleavage, you kind of just, instead of like pumping them up, you pump them in. It's like they go in and to the side. So let me just, I guess, like show you super quick. So you pump them in, and voila, like your cleavage is like two big melons, but I'm not totally a fan, so I'm gonna put them back to where I like them. I like them right over here. Um, another trick to making your boobs seem fake, which a lot of people might be like, well, why do you want people to think your boobs are fake? Because fake boobs, a lot of people think they just look more aesthetically pleasing, they look nicer. So once your boobs are like pumped up with your bras, you just take a bronzer brush and some bronzer and just kind of do the same thing to your boobs that you do to your face. You want them to be nice and tan, you want them to match the skin tone of your face. Um, and then you could also take some shimmer. Shimmer is like super nice. You could get nice shimmer, Bath and Body Works. I don't even know. I can't even think off the top of my head. MAC has some nice shimmer powders. There's basically every cosmetic company sells shimmer. So you just take some shimmer. You just like put it on your boobs, especially like put it on like in between, like in the creases, on top, whatever. Make them shiny. They make them pop. And there you go. Voila. Fake boobs. What do you think? Okay, so I hope I taught you well in tricking people into thinking that you have nice big jugs, and enjoy. All right.